Hi, I'm Angela Nicholson, Head of Testing for Futures Photography Portfolio, and I'm here to talk to you today about Panasonic's new GF3. As you can see, it's very small. In fact, it's the smallest G-series camera that Panasonic's produced. It hasn't got an electronic viewfinder, but if I turn it on, you can see it's got a 3-inch touchscreen. It's also got a pop-up flash. On the back of the camera we've got a jog wheel, and this is used for making setting selections and navigating the menu. It's quite a convenient and quick control to use. Inside the jog dial we've got a selection of shortcut buttons on a 4-way controller. They're quite awkward to see, but we've got the white balance, exposure control, AF point selection modes and the drive mode options. As with the G3, the GF3's got a quick menu option. I can access it by pressing this button or this icon here. And then we can just toggle through or scroll through using the touch screen to find the option we want to adjust. Helpfully, we can actually customise this menu by pressing this button and then dragging the options we want onto the screen. You can drag them off and you can drag them back on. Simple. If you're happy to access the quick menu using this icon here, you can dedicate this button to access one of 15 different features. Panasonic has again included the clever touch shutter option, so if I press this icon here, I can now point around the screen and the camera will automatically focus and take a shot. As you can see, it's really quick. One of the complaints about the GF2 is that it hasn't got a mode dial, and unfortunately the GF3 hasn't got one either, but I'm prepared to forgive it because it's such a small and neat camera. Instead, the shooting mode is selected by touching this icon on the screen and then either rotating the jog dial to find the one you want or just touching the relevant icon, and then you can select the scene mode you want here. On the top plate of the GF3 you can see the intelligent auto button, which sets the camera to operate entirely automatically. There's a dedicated movie button which sets the camera to record 1080i video, and here there's just a little mono mic. The GF3 has a 12.1 million pixel live MOS sensor, so it's got a little lower resolution than the 15.8 million pixels of the G3. On the back of the camera you can see there's a 3-inch 460,000 dot LCD. This is the touch screen. So there we have the GF3. It's a very nice little camera, but if you want to read my full opinion, have a look online.